Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this macrame keychain. It's really simple using the square knot. I did this one for National Day here in UAE in the UAE colors. So here are the materials that you need. You need some sort of keychain toppers, 120 centimeters. Today I'm just going to show you with 2 ropes, some tape like masking tape, and a pair of scissors. So what we're going to do is take the first rope here, and I'm going to take one of the ends and I'm going to stretch it about 25 meters long. So it's about as long as my the other rope here, and the other one will be kept nice and long. So one is short and then one is long. I'm going to take the keychain and I'm going to take this loop and put it through the top of the keychain. Grab it, and then I'm going to reach through the loop and pull the 2 ends all the way through. And then just pull down in both and kind of tighten it up at the top so it's nice and neat. So you have one that's short here and then one that's super long. And we're going to do the same thing with the red now. So take the red, stretch this out to about the same length for that inside piece, and then the outside will be long. So the 2 inside ones should be about the same length here. So I'll take that top loop, send it through the keychain, and then just go in between here and grab these. So I had to dye these colors because I couldn't find the right colors in time. So they're a little bit different looking than my normal rope is. And then you're just going to make the top of them look nice and neat. So the 2 inside ropes are the short ones here, and then the 2 ones on the outside are nice and long. So I just want to show you here, I did the same thing. I put green and red, but I also ran another white one through the center. I just thought it added a little bit of the white from the UAE flag in, so that can also be something that you do. And now here, I'm just going to grab a piece of tape and secure this to the table here. That way it won't go anywhere while I'm doing my work. So I just kind of tape it down on the one side and then tape it down here. It may come undone, but it's fine. And now I'm just going to show you the knot. So these 2 are just going to run through the center, and we're not going to do anything with them. They're called the filler cords. And we'll be doing the wrapping with the 2 longer ropes on the outside. And what you want to do is take your left side, the red, cross it over in front of the middle 2 in a figure 4 shape. And then this is really important. You want to take the right side green one, go over the top, and then go behind and through the figure 4. So it'll look like you're tying a shoelace, but this is in the middle of the little loop there. So don't tighten it now, it'll be hard if you tighten it. So just kind of shimmy it up to the top, and then once it's at the top, then you can pull on both sides equally to have your first part of your knot. So that's the first part, the first half. We're going to do the exact same thing to finish off the knot, but we're going to start on the right side first. So we're going to use the red one again to make a reverse figure 4 shape. Then take the green one, make sure it goes over the bottom of the figure 4, and then it's going to go behind the middle 2 and then through. And then just kind of shimmy it up to the top. You can hold the center here in case that's helpful. And then tighten. Now you can kind of adjust what's in the center here. And you can see, if you've done it correctly, there should be an angle, like an arrow shape with the red points going there. And a trick that I learned is that arrow points to the side that you need to start with. So we're going to start again on the left and do the exact same thing all the way down. So to show you in slow motion one more time, and then I'll speed it up. So reverse figure 4 shape, and then the green goes over the bottom of the red, and then behind the middle, and then through the hole. And then tighten it up. Now the tension is important here, so it looks kind of similar to the next one. That was the first half, and you can see that my next arrow is pointing that I need to start on the right just in case I forget to finish the square knot. So it's reverse figure 4, over the bottom, and then behind and through that 4, and then shimmy it up to the top and pull it tightly. So you can see that the outside now is all going to be green, and the inside is going to be the red arrows in the middle there. And you just keep going until your desired length. I feel like these are a little bit long, so maybe I'm going to stop here this time. I want to make this one a little bit shorter, so I'm just going to stop there. Kind of see here, I have the green on the outside there and the red in the center, and then if you flip it over, it reverses, so the green is in the center and the red is on the outside. So this is really nice. It's like basically a reversible keychain when you're using two different colors like this. So for this one, I'm going to make a white gathering knot. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to make a nice finish for the bottom with a gathering knot, and I'll show you now what it'll look like. You want to just take, and you can use a red or a green or introduce the white here, and you want it to be about that long because it can hang down in the bottom. So you're going to take this into like a teardrop or bottom loop shape. You're going to just leave it right at the bottom of your keychain like that. So the loop will be visible on the outside, and then this top part will be visible here. And you're going to kind of pinch everything together and start wrapping around everything. So I think with this one, like about 4 looks good. So when you've reached a good point, come around to the back here where you have your loop, and send this bottom tail through that loop, and then come back to this part here, and you'll just kind of pull the top bit up. And you can see that there's the connection point. I'm just pulling it up. So it's going to be behind what I've just wrapped around. So the connection point is now hidden up behind there. And then if you want, you can leave this white bit here included in the tassel. It depends on how long you want your tassel to be. So I could just trim it off there and have like a little bit of a shorter tassel. And then the top part here, I'll just trim it. And then use my closed scissors to kind of tuck these little pieces in the bottom so they're not visible. So now everything's all secure. And there's my keychain. Gathering knot, just want it right snug next to everything.